Hello and welcome, and I hope you guys are all aware that Jamb just extended the registration, and information getting to me is that the extension is for 1 week. So if you've not been able to register for your Jamb over the period of registration that is supposed to end today, being the 15th of May 2021, that you now have the opportunity due to this extension to still go register for your JAM. So those of you that are having issues with their profile code, NIN registration, and also sometimes when you get to the CBT centers, they're having issues with the network. So I think this very extension is to take care of all that. So if you're still interested in registering for your JAM, you still have the window open for you to do so because of the extension. So some people are not aware of this extension. That's why we try to broadcast this so that all of you that are our channel followers should know that the registration have been extended. And the information that I'm getting is that the extension is for more 1 week. I'm not very sure about the period of the extension. I'm still going to investigate on that and be able to tell you. Okay. So very importantly, on our website, you can also see this extension. So this is our website, educateafricans.com. So I'm gonna refresh this. Every information that you want as a student, it's always here, both your lectures and information. So when you get to our website, you get to the blog section. This is blog. You can see blog here. Blog. You can see it here. So the blog section in the menu is where you get information regarding registration, timetable, when is WIEC starting, when is NECO starting, what are you supposed to do. All those are there. Okay, so you can see here now, JAM Shift 2021 UTME dates as it extends registration by two. Okay, it's actually by 2 weeks. Okay, so you can see that. So all the information that you need as a student, they're always there on our website, and with your syllabus, everything is there. Your CBT app, the best CBT app for you is there. Everything is there. So you can see this. So let me read this through. Jam Shift 2021 UTME dates as it extends registration date by 2. The 2021 UTME has extended for its annual UTME by 2 weeks. The UTME is also now expected to hold by June 19 to July 3rd. So you see now the exams that we are supposed to start by the 5th of June is now going to be starting by June 19th. You can see. So both the exam and the registration all has been extended. So it was initially supposed to hold from June 5th to 19th. So you can see this extension. The registrar of the Professor Is-haq Oloyede announced this at the ongoing press conference in Abuja on May 5th. So this was actually announced today. So the registrar also announced an extension to registration examination by 2 weeks. The registration exercise will now end by May 29th. So registration is continuing till the end of this month. Okay, so you can head to this our website. If you have any questions or comments, you can drop them here. So remember, Educate Africans is the website to learn. Now that you have more time, you're now expected to read more. Get to this our website, Educate Africans. All the lectures that you need are on this website. You can see this is CRS, literature, commerce, English, economic. People are hitting it, and this is where they're learning. So you have to get there. Then apart from learning, when you scroll down, you're gonna see information on our blog concerning you, information that you need for you to move forward. All this information are your own information. They are for students. This website, this platform, Educate Africans, is purely for you to succeed in your academics. So you better get there. We have video tutorials for past questions and lectures, everything you need. And if you also get to our website, our YouTube channel, the name of our YouTube channel is Tclassified.com. Once you get to YouTube, get to the search button here and type Tclassified.com. You're going to see our channel, and you can have all the past questions Remember I told you that the secret to getting very high score in Jamb is you solving the most recent past question, last year's, 5 years from the most recent of all the 4 subjects that you're doing. You have to solve all of them, write them down, and you get ready. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section of these. You can always call my number for if you want to contact us for our flash. We sell very good flash that has our lectures and past questions on them, video tutorials. Call me. My phone number is +234 70 671 62698. So get to this our website. We have the summary of the life changer novel that you need. This is it here. Your Jamb syllabus to know what to read. This is it there. The Android app for our CBT app. This is it here. The computer CBT app. This is it here. You call me, I send you a flash that has our lectures and past questions. So everything you need, even your WIAC CBT app, we have them here. So once you make a call to us, we'll let you know how you can get all this. This is our phone number. This is linked to our YouTube, linked to our LinkedIn, linked to our Facebook, linked to our Twitter, and linked to our GitHub. So the channel to be, the place to be, educateafricans.com. Thank you. God bless you. See you.